If you're looking for the biggest Bluehost coupon code discount available right now, this is the deal you want to use. Right now, Bluehost is offering up to 78% off web hosting, plus a free domain name on annual plans, and exclusive pricing you won't get directly on their website. This is a special discount that only activates when you use the link in the description below this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to claim the Bluehost coupon code and get the lowest possible price. To get this deal, go down to the description and click the Bluehost discount link I provided. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I merit a commission if you sign up. There's no extra cost to you, and you still get the lowest Bluehost pricing available. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Bluehost exclusive discount page. From here, go ahead and click the Get Started button. This will take you to the Bluehost hosting plans page. Right now, Bluehost offers 3 main plans. Personal plan up to 78% off, starts as low as $199 per month, best for beginners starting a single website. Starter plan up to 70% off, starts at $299 per month, great if you want to build multiple websites. eCommerce Essentials plan up to 68% off, starts at $699 per month, ideal for online stores and selling products. If you're just getting started, the personal plan is usually the best option. If you plan on building multiple websites or growing long term, I recommend going with the starter plan. And if you're creating an online store, then the eCommerce Essentials plan is the way to go. Once you choose your plan, you'll be prompted to create or claim your free domain name. This is included completely free with all annual plans. Important, you only get the free domain with 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, or 4 year plans. The monthly plan does not include a free domain. Next, you'll choose your billing term. Bluehost offers 4 year, 3 year, 2 year, 1 year, monthly. Here's how pricing works. The longer the term, the bigger the discount. The cheapest pricing is on the 3 year or 4 year plan. Monthly plans are the most expensive and don't include the free domain. So if you want the lowest possible price, go with the 3 year or 4 year option. From here, just enter your account information and complete your purchase. Once you sign up, Bluehost will automatically set up your hosting account. After checkout, you'll be taken to your Bluehost dashboard where you can start building your website, launch your site in minutes. So just to recap, with this Bluehost coupon code deal, you'll get up to 78% off hosting, a free domain name on annual plans, and the lowest pricing available when using the link below. If you want to take advantage of this discount, go ahead and click the Bluehost link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.